We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show how you can change the motors, strength and stiffness. So to start, you will need to take your phone, then open or launch the Ronin application. Here go into motor parameters, and now you can, in basic you can change the stiffness of the tilt, roll and pan motors here by adjusting those bars. You can also go into advanced and change and adjust the strength here. So if you were to just open advanced section, you can switch between stiffness and strength adjustments and do them here. In the same tab you can also expand the more values, and if you know anything about those digits, use them as your reference, so you can set up your gimbal the best. Here you can also auto tune it if necessary. But as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.